Children's Home, Upper Shillong. If you heard those singers just now, Kini, Kipat, Jungi, Kiparin, where they're all, it was actually of hope, that's situated in Upper Shillong. Well, the festive season is all about love and giving. And yes, Christmas is also about the child that was born to this world who made a lot of difference. Yes, as we know, the birthday of Christ. And yes, here the little ones are here. I hope they make this festival a difference.
Are happening for our state, and I'm very delighted that today, with the 4th edition of Winter Tales, with this theme of Come Clean, Go Green. It's a very vibrant, very timely message that while we try to foster growth and development, we should also try to foster a sense of responsibility, that we do things responsibly. And as each one of you, I would encourage each one of you to visit these stalls, because you will see for yourself that everything, the materials used are all organic. There is nothing that is non-biodegradable. And this is something that tourism as a department has been trying to encourage. I will not bore you with a long lecture, but today, as tourism keeps growing, we would like to make sure that it is all inclusive, which is why we have diverse craftsmen from the remotest part of Meghalaya coming together in this platform, because we would like to ensure that development is inclusive and that you are part of the state's growth trajectory. Without wasting time, I once again wish you and the entire the organizers of this Winter Tales here, that in the next 3 days, as you have fun, as you relish your good time here, you will also keep learning and growing from the experience of Come Clean, Go Green. All around us there is greenery, but we would like to upscale whatever we've done in order to ensure that Meghalaya continues to be an example for the rest of the country, that our tourism is not just commercially oriented, but that we also are responsible and would like to sustain the growth of our state in a manner that is befitting the greenery that we have. Before resuming my seat, I also have the proud privilege of announcing before you that the state has just won a very prestigious award, that is Upcoming Tourism Destination from Outlook magazine. It's a prestige. It's another notch up for Meghalaya tourism, and we will keep scripting the success story with the active participation and involvement of each one of you. Thank you. Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you. Other engagements before coming here. Well, first and foremost, friends and members of the Meghalaya Adventure Ïaid, officials of the Department of Tourism, friends from the media fraternity, children, especially the craftsmen, courtiers drawn from various parts of the state. Before coming here, just a few steps away, the Investors Summit is going on, and people right from the top.
Come. Excuse me.
The panel discussion stage, the demonstration stage. Slight change with there. Music stage.
I think 15. So how old are your kids? 7 and
Em bảo con nữa nhé, em bảo shoot you.